Blizzard for the Midwest, severe weather for the deep south, and we'll get rain here in Maine. A good soaking is coming. More than 1 inch of rain for most of us, especially down east, heading up the Katahdin region north. More than 1 inch of precip by Friday. So this is a storm coming in Wednesday into Thursday. Temperatures are going to surge 40s and 50s in southern Maine, 40s all the way up into the mountains, then we cool off. So we'll start off as rain in the next several days, and then we'll cool off and we'll get snow back into the forecast. Remember, winter far from over in Maine. Temperatures sticking around the 30s next week.